The special content. Okay.
Yes, man. Respect.
Alright, people. This is GT, General Terry, General Kudai, and General Randy of the Good Army, establishing change and balance in St. James. Black History Friday.
History Friday.
Terry, say something.
Why, enough respect to the man and I carry on the work with footstools and because without them, mission not going to get accomplished. Enough respect.
I give thanks to the idea. I've been called for this long time. But I know my work accomplished. I see the greatness accomplished.
Yes, man.
Because I want to talk to my friend them the way I want to talk to them. Just get the angel them now. And fall about and come forward and say them the right. Alright, so as we say, a change and balance today. So I get a thing up and run it. Straight out. Yeah, that's the part.
So this is Jamaica Good Life 2022 and beyond. This is the entry, no beginning, the entry into a new era. But Tallman, Ginger is a part of the team infinitely. We're going to reach every ghetto with change and balance and information for increased consciousness. You understand? So if we increase the consciousness, the crime will reduce. Ma! Quick, no. You see, we increase the consciousness, we reduce what?
The crime rate.
The crime, right, Talman?
Yes.
So this is all equal, change and balance. This is St. James. This is, close the statement, put down the knife. Close it off.
It's true that I know what the topic was about.
Change and balance.
Change and balance.
The Good Army.
History Friday, man. The Good Army.
History Friday.
I like that, man.
Reducing crime.
Reducing crime.
Yes, well, this is a perfect program for the young fellas, them and young ladies and gentlemen. Come take it, you know. Change and balance to reduce the crime in Jamaica. Matter of fact, all over the world, because if the black society, African youths, them tune into this program, you will see what our ancestors been through and what they have done. You understand? For us to be in this situation, what we are in, we need to change and take our stand. So we need to know more about our history, past history, so that we can go ahead in the future.
Alright. Break. Come on, for me. Kelly, Mr. GT, General Terry from the penitentiary. I'm just kidding. General Terry is in town, and this man is a part of the Good Army. That's why he's a general for the good. And he came to visit the team that he's part of building to disseminate African history and cultural upliftment, increase the consciousness, reduce the crime.
Yes.
Oh, you love Montego Bay?
Nice, man. Nice.
Good.
Nice vibe, atmosphere, you know?
Yes.
Regardless of what them saying.
Good. So the beach, what was the beach like?
Wow, wonderful.
What was your most fun? Drinking and eating. What was the most fun you had? Something that...
Negro. Let's say Negro.
Negro.
Negro was the most fun.
The water or the people?
The water, of course. Ocean, beautiful, cleansing. Meeting the people, of course. That's always a good thing.
We go to Porky.
Yes.
Crudel and everybody.
Yes. Meet the real people.
So just thank you for being a part of Jamaica Good Life. You still have the clothes, right?
Yeah.
You have the clothes, the hat. Yes. Remember when you buy the clothes and the hat, and then you yo, so you commit to the thing on a Pan-African level, not a jokey chicken cooking level. What do you say to the other men about interacting with me and understanding the vision? What do you say to them? Do you have more clarity, or do you understand my seriousness? What do you get from this?
I mean, we're trying to make a change, but it's going to take everyone's effort. You know, it's not just one person doing all the work. It's going to take a collective effort, you know, to do it. I mean, we got to change society. I mean, we have a country that's going down the tubes, man. We have to save it. You know what I mean? The youth, they have no vision of the future. They have no concept of history, no concept of where they come from. So we need to change the mind of the youths, because they're the future leaders, and maybe create a brighter future for this beautiful place. That's my vision, you know. But we have to do it one step at a time.
Yes.
And we understand the challenges we face. But we'll get there. It's going to take everyone's effort. Not mine, not yours, everyone's effort.
Got it.
Yes.
And what can other men or women do that's aligned to what we're doing? And what are we doing? What's our main plan?
We just get involved with trying to reduce the crime, trying to teach the young people and everyone else history. You know, teach them history of where we come from, the struggles that we've been through, the struggles that we can still overcome. You know what I mean? It doesn't stop. We still got to keep evolving.
Good. So even with containers and libraries and projectors and TVs and USBs, handing out SD cards, that's part of the blueprint for the mission.
Yes, but we still need people to come together, sit, talk about issues, work issues out without violence, no crime, no guns. You know what I mean? Books over guns.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Knowledge over violence. Yes.
That's what we need.
Okay, got it.
We can't rely on politicians and government officials.
We have to take the torch.
Right. We have to do it ourselves.
So now, projection 2, 3, 4 years out, can we measure success? And are we going to set up milestones where we could actually measure, set goals and objectives to see the community change? Do we have a better balance? Are we going to have any measurement parameters? That's something we have to think about.
Yeah, we got to think about the reduction of crime. If crime reduces, how many people we get in the program to uplift them, to let them learn. You know what I mean? Change the mindset. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We have those. We can't look at how many people in the community come together, sit, talk, try to work problems out.
Yeah. Problem resolution.
Yeah. But it's going to take everyone's effort, not just one or two people.
So if somebody wants to be a part of, let's say, Senti year chapter, you know, you clearly have a vision to execute practically and for the long term and psychologically. It's a lot of, we have to create a schematic as far as process of order.
Yeah, we need a blueprint. Where do we start? How we grow?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And keep growing.
Good.
There's no end to this. This is forever, you know?
Yeah. Continue on. So that we're gonna start creating that roadmap.
Yeah, it's a lifelong mission. I mean, Marcus Garvey died, but his mission didn't die.
Exactly. So you're from Senti?
Yes.
Good.
We gotta get people involved.
So we have a chapter in Senti with a leader there. We have a chapter in St. James, and I'm staying in Manchester. So we're gonna keep spreading for all the serious people, men or women, to understand better this new part of Jamaica Good Life, because it's new, it's long term, and it's new, and it's connected to past life activities that weren't good, and these past life activity human beings are engaged with us to increase their consciousness. So in their community that don't have a positive impact on the lifestyle of the youths, these youths that are gatekeepers to that other side of the world, they disseminate our information to that other side of the world. And that's a major bridge that we're trying to build, because if people keep talking about crime in Jamaica, but they don't have a way to get into the underground in a positive way.
That's where you have to start.
Yes. So go where there's a problem. So we are among people who used to be in those problems, and with change and balance, what that philosophy is saying, everybody is changing, but to what betterment and to what balance. And that is why the foundation of this movement, Change and Balance, it governs the individual. And individual governance is the only way. Collectively, you're going to have a reduction in crime if every man govern themselves. But there has to be a doctrine and a philosophy where they understand how the philosophy and doctrine work, so they live. It's a new order. Whatever their conviction is or their lifestyle,
And with that too, we're gonna add a lot of elements of financial.
Yeah, we work
Future.
on self-sufficiency.
Exactly.
Self-sufficiency. You can't remove this fact, right?
Mhm.
If people are self-sufficient, then they're more aware to produce for themselves, uplift each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna mention any nationality or nations or whatever, but we could take a page from some people. You know what I mean?
Yes.
We could take some of their stuff, work on it, and make it better. I mean, that's just positive.
Yes, positive. Yes, I like it. I like
Critical thing.
Now you've traveled the world.
Yeah.
List off some of the countries, not specific occupation, but list some of the countries you visited as a world traveler.
Dubai was most impressive for me, only because of what they're able to achieve. But what they have is leadership, understanding of culture themselves. You know, I mean, I'm not saying Europe is developed. That's that's all. But Dubai put their money where their mouth is. You know what I mean? Nothing's perfect. I mean, they have issues too. You know what I mean? You know, we could talk about China and the development and all that, but our people got to start planning, doing, and solving our own problems. We have the abilities. I mean, it's not. You don't have to rewrite the book. Just take a page here and a page here, and I'll work on it. That's all.
Okay. If you would run for office in Jamaica, would you?
Would I? I'm not a politician.
Okay.
No, I'm not a politician.
All
I
right.
never aspired to be one. Yeah.
But why Jamaica Good Life? Why associate with our brand and our movement?
Because nobody else is doing what we're doing.
Okay. We have a good track record then.
Nobody else is doing it. No, nobody. Most people, unless you force them into things, they'll never do it. They don't take the initiative to move forward and actually do things. You know what I mean? You have to push them. You know what I mean? Yeah, you got to push them. I mean, every person should take the initiative to better themselves, better the community, and then from there you better the country and then the world.
There you go. I love that. I love that. Your speech pattern is very precise, GT, General Terry. So no can call him GT. So that's General Terry. This man is a straightforward Marcus Garvey height, you see, and you never know that he's a crafter, but he doesn't eat pork. I eat pork once a year, or maybe twice, depending on who.
I won't judge him.
Don't judge me. It's pork.
Yeah,
And you met Porky.
Yeah.
And meeting her was like what? You were tempted to eat the pork?
No, never. Never, but
Not even from Porky.
she's a real person.
She's a real person.
Yeah. Doing her, at least somebody does what she needs to do, you know what I mean?
She's
She don't
self-sufficient.
sit around and ask, she go, she do what she has to do, you know, for her and her family, you know, which that's the way most people should be, instead of sitting around and waiting, you know what I mean? You go ahead and do it.
Well, GT, General Terry,
Yes.
from the penitentiary, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Hold this and hang that around your neck, please, sir. You're the only human being to ever receive a badge for Jamaica Good Life. So, my friend, it's a great honor,
Yes.
and that's a lot of weight around your neck. Keep your neck strong, keep focus. You know, watch the word that come out of your mouth, because the word good now is hanging from your neck. So stay away from the energies that might distract you.
Oh, no.
All right.
Yes.
I wish nothing but great Marcus Garvey spirit around you as you move and navigate and use change and balance to navigate this jungle out here. For it is a jungle out here. Again, my brother, thank you for coming through.
Anytime.
You know what I say, and
Anytime, man.
just
my contribution, you know what I mean?
respect. Just
One
think
step at a
Marcus
time.
Garvey, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Everything you do. All
One
right.
step at a time.
Jamaica Good Life. See it, people? It's not a club life.
Yes.
Terry have the badge. If you never get a badge of Hannah, man.
Yes.
Salute!
Yes.
So we're gonna start workout now because the Good Army is official. This is Jamaica Good Life, it's not a club life. Randy behind the camera, you never know, so me I work to get some generals together. So for the other potential generals that want to be slapped in the chest, slap! I'm gonna start workout, so when we meet the other generals them, then you have to get ready. Boy! So we have a good army in St. Elizabeth, St. James and Manchester. St. Mary, I'm going to slap another one in the chest. His name is King Ping. So I'm going for him soon. And then I go fly to Africa. And leave one of the generals to do one after the while. I go plant some trees in Africa and then disappear from one. Come back and see what I do. You see, the responsibility of being a leader is that you have to have results. And for the past 25 years, guess what I have? Results. So I'm not an emotional, loyal, loving person. I'm about the work. Me don't have friends, me don't have colleagues, me don't have groups, me don't have unity. Me have an agenda unity. What is our agenda? Just execute the agenda. Me don't want to stay we don't want to talk. Yeah man, we're together brother, hey bro. No, show me the work. The all will judge you by your work. So if you do the work, we know the assignment, crew do the work, I've been doing the work, and then the new general them do the work. I want to say big up to Iron Ore. I'm going to see him again because somebody has to get the knife. I don't know who is going to get the knife, but the knife was given to me, but me not take life. But somebody has to get the knife. You get the badge. Yeah. I found out. But somebody going to get the knife. I don't know. I think it's King Ping because he's from Maroon Town. But Terry?
Yes, respect.
My brother, Marcus Garvey to you and your family.
Yes,
love.
Man.
Terry's
yeah, man.
Fly safely.
Yes, my brother. I'll let you know when I get there, man.
All right, man.
Yes, enough respect.
Be good.
Yes.
Respect.
All right.
So the general, that is the man who do the work for the country. And the man we believe in what me I do. A General GT that one good army we build. So no one be a part of a good army, stand up strong and firm.